how to use Vito or Vito or whatever that is in game of vampires. So Vito is used for your dating stuff, basically to skip the time or recharge time. So it's this thing over here, used in the lover system to recover 3 opportunities to date. So to use that, you could just use that directly from there, but just go ahead into your castle, no, not your castle, your family, and then into the lover section. As you can see, it's still loading. In our case, 14 minutes left. But if you want to skip that, just go ahead and press on the thing again, and you should be able to see the item info for the Vito. You can use as much as you want, but we're just gonna use one for now since we're not gonna date that much. And it's gonna recharge 3. If you do use 2, I think it's gonna go past that limit, but don't do that, of course, since you want it to have a free recharge. If it's over the limit, then it won't be recharging, which is basically your loss. But that's pretty much how you use Vito on Game of Vampires. It's basically for your dating thingy. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.